I would like to thank Therapy Clean for sending me this wooden cabinet cleaner and polish so that I can share it with you. First thing you need to do is shake it up. Next, take the cloth, microfiber, very nice and very thick, that comes with it, and put some on the cloth. It's going to remove all the grime. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that deep color that's coming out. This is a really old piece of furniture. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Very, very nice. And it's picked up all the dust and all the gunk on this wood, even here in the crevices here. I would like to add some more. It's just drinking it right up. I have not cleaned it, and I hate to tell you how long, and I think I'm going to be doing it more often because this Therapy Clean smells so good. I don't know what's in here, but it's almost a sweet smell. Very nice. Oh yeah, look at this. Is going to clean right up right there. Look at how rich the color is. Beautiful.